Welcome to the National Adventure Program of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Adventure is an integral part of the scouting and guiding movement, inspiring young people to explore nature, build courage, and develop leadership through outdoor experiences. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is committed to the promotion of adventure amongst the youth. The Bharat Scouts and Guides has been conducting the adventure programs regularly since January 1993 and has opened avenues to enjoy nature through adventure activities not only to the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides but also to the non-uniformed youth in various parts of the country. More than 2.5 lakh youth from all nook corners of the country as well as abroad have enjoyed national and international adventure program till date. We have three premier National Adventure Institutes: National Adventure Institute Pachmadi, Madhya Pradesh; National Youth Adventure Institute Gatpuri, Palwal, Haryana; National Adventure Institute Kurseong, Darjeeling, West Bengal. The National Adventure Institute Pachmadi is the first National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The National Adventure Institute Pachmadi is dedicated to promoting adventure activities among youth and encouraging them to explore nature while developing confidence, leadership, and teamwork. The National Adventure Program was first started at Pachmadi in January 1993. Since then, it has opened new avenues for young people to experience the thrill of adventure and outdoor learning. These programs are designed not only for the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides but also for non-uniformed youth from different parts of the country, providing them with opportunities to connect with nature and develop valuable life skills through adventure activities. The National Adventure Institute Pachmadi has organized more than 540 national and 27 international adventure programs till date. Programs and activities. The National Adventure Institute Pachmadi Adventure comes alive through exciting and challenging activities for youth. Participants experience thrilling adventures such as trekking, rock climbing, rappelling, valley crossing, zip line and sky cycling, rifle shooting, archery, obstacle crossing, fun games, boating. Evenings are filled with memorable campfire. The program also includes nature study and introduction to scouting and guiding, helping participants connect with nature and learn the values of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, while sightseeing visits to Mahadev Temple Pachmadi, Jatashankar, Pandav Caves, and Priyadarshini Point showcase the natural beauty of Pachmadi. Together, these experiences help build courage, confidence, leadership, and teamwork among youth. National Youth Adventure Institute Gatpuri, Palwal, Haryana. National Youth Adventure Institute Gatpuri is our second National Adventure Institute of the Bharat Scouts and Guides and was established in the year 2018 to provide low-cost adventure to the youth of the country. The National Youth Adventure Institute Gatpuri has organized more than 500 National Youth Adventure programs till date. More than 50,000 youth have benefited. Programs and activities, adventure and exploration come together at the National Youth Adventure Institute Gatpuri, where youth experience exciting outdoor challenges and unforgettable journeys. Participants take part in thrilling activities such as trekking, artificial rock climbing, rappelling, rifle shooting, pistol shooting, archery, and obstacle crossing, along with fun-based activities that build confidence, teamwork, and leadership. Every evening concludes with an energetic campfire. The program also includes educational sightseeing visits to iconic places such as in Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan, National War Memorial, Kartavya Path, India Gate, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, and Akshardham Temple. In Mathura, Vrindavan, Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi, Prem Mandir, Ma Vaishno Devi Temple, ISKCON Temple, Bake Bihari Temple, etc. In Agra, Taj Mahal and Agra Fort, a perfect blend of adventure, culture, and learning, creating memories that last a lifetime. The National Youth Adventure Program is organized at the following venues: Goa. Programs and activities. Adventure meets the ocean in the vibrant landscapes of Goa, where excitement, culture, and exploration come together in one unforgettable experience. Participants enjoy thrilling activities such as cruise rides, trekking, backwoods cooking, and introduction of scouting guiding, ending each day with a lively campfire filled with music, stories, and friendship under the stars. The journey also explores the stunning coastline of North Goa with visits to Baga Beach, Kalangute Beach, Anjuna Beach, Sinquerim Beach, and Vegeta Beach. Participants also discover the heritage of South Goa, visiting Kolva Beach, the historic Basilica of Bom Jesus, Cathedral Church, and the sacred Mangeshi Temple, a perfect blend of adventure, culture, and coastal beauty, creating memories that last a lifetime. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Programs and activities. Adventure meets the mountains in the breathtaking landscapes of Manali, where youth step into a world of challenge, courage, and discovery. Participants push their limits through thrilling activities like rock climbing, rappelling, valley crossing, archery, obstacle crossing, trekking, and camping, while leadership training and nature study inspire confidence and teamwork. As the sun sets, the spirit of adventure continues around a vibrant campfire where stories, songs, and friendships come alive. The journey also explores the beauty of the Himalayas with local sightseeing visits to Hidamba Devi Temple, Manali City, Soleng Valley, Golaba, Jagat Sukh, and the remarkable Atal Tunnel, an unforgettable experience of adventure, exploration, and lifelong memories. Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Programs and activities. Adventure rises from the golden sands of the Thar Desert in Jaisalmer, where courage, culture, and exploration come together in an unforgettable experience. Participants enjoy thrilling desert adventures such as camel safari, jeep safari, visits to the sacred Tanot Mata temple, and the historic Longewala battlefield near the India-Pakistan border. Evenings come alive with vibrant Rajasthani folk dance and cultural celebrations. The excitement continues with adventure activities like valley crossing, rifle shooting, archery, trekking, camping, hiking, nature study, and fun games, along with an introduction to the values of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Under the desert sky, participants gather around a glowing campfire, creating memories of adventure, friendship, and the true spirit of exploration. Morni Hills, Haryana. Programs and activities. Adventure unfolds in the serene hills of Morni Hills, where excitement, challenge, and nature come together to create an unforgettable experience. Participants take on thrilling adventure activities like sky cycling, Burma Bridge, valley crossing, zip line, rope climbing, wall climbing, and rappelling, along with exciting water activities such as jet scooter rides and boating. The journey also includes nature study, trekking, camping, leadership training, and vibrant campfire evenings, where friendships grow stronger under the open sky. Participants further explore the region through educational visits to Pinjore Gardens, Kaushalya Dam, and the scenic Tikkartal, an inspiring blend of adventure, learning, and nature, shaping confident and courageous youth. Hamta Trek, Himachal Pradesh. Across the majestic Himalayas, adventure reaches new heights on the thrilling Hampada Pass Trek expedition. The journey begins with a scenic drive from Sarsai to Jobra, followed by an unforgettable trek through the breathtaking landscapes of Chika and Baluka Ghera, finally reaching the magnificent Hampada Pass at 4,300 meters, surrounded by towering snow-clad peaks. Along the expedition, participants experience exciting adventure activities under the vast Himalayan sky. Evenings come alive with a warm campfire, creating unforgettable memories of courage, endurance, and the true spirit of adventure. National Adventure Institute, Snowview, Kurseong, Darjeeling, West Bengal. National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, Darjeeling is third National Adventure Institute of Bharat Scouts and Guides and was established in the year 2021 with the partnership of Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling. The National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, Darjeeling has organized 105th National Adventure Program and more than 5,000 youths has been benefited. Programs and activities. Adventure unfolds in the mist-covered hills of Darjeeling, where nature, challenge, and discovery come together to create an unforgettable journey. Participants step into a world of thrilling outdoor adventure, trekking, rope obstacles, zip line, sky cycling, monkey bridge, hanging ladder, hanging tunnel, and treetop challenges, valley crossing, archery, rifle shooting, and fun-based activities that build courage, confidence, and teamwork. Beyond the excitement, the program explores the rich heritage of the Himalayas with visits to the world's first mountaineering institute, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Eagles Crag, Himalayan Zoological Park, Chau Rasta, Mall Road, Darjeeling Market, Gorkha War Memorial, Museum, Pine Forest, Hanuman Temple, Tea Garden, Netaji Subhash Chandra Memorial Museum that reflect the spirit of the region. Participants also engage in meaningful self-development activities such as Kim's Game, backwoods cooking, quiz competitions, and learning about the values and traditions of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. As evening falls in the Himalayas, the adventure concludes around a glowing campfire, where stories, laughter, and friendships create memories that last a lifetime. For more information, scan the QR code for the circular of National Adventure Institute, Pachmadhi, Madhya Pradesh, National Youth Adventure Institute, Gatpuri, Haryana, National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, Darjeeling, West Bengal, Goa, मनाली, हिमाचल प्रदेश, जैसलमेर, राजस्थान, मोरनी हिल्स, हरियाणा. Thank you.